Hey everyone, this is Ron with Keller Williams Northeast Realty with the Ron and Jill Group here in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. I'm a 20-year military vet turned real estate agent now serving the greater Phoenix area. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for notifications. I plan on pushing hard and posting multiple KW Command how-to videos every week. Now, let's get to the show. Alright everybody, let's go ahead and get into this, and today's quick video tutorial is going to be on exporting contacts. Now, before, you can only export 50 at a time, and to do that, you just see where it says show 1 to 10. Come over here, click on 50 contacts, select all right here with this checkbox, and you can go through and select all of your contacts that are checked off and export them manually. Now, the other way to do it is come over here where the three dots are at. Just check off export all contacts. You would click that, and this is being processed right now, and depending on how big your database is will determine how long it'll take. And you can export this if you need to upload them into a dialer or into another type of CRM or anything that you're using. And within a few moments, you'll see this red dot above the bell. You'll just click on that and tap to download. Once you tap on it, it'll export itself into an Excel spreadsheet. Alrighty, I know this is quick, down and dirty. If you found some value of this, please hit that subscribe button down below, turn on the bell for notifications, and I'll be posting content here weekly. We'll talk soon.